In this video, I'll show you how to fix the low-level fatal error in Oblivion Remastered, so you can get back to playing without crashes. Method 1. Update your game and mods. Make sure Oblivion Remastered and all your mods are updated to the latest versions. Method 2. Check your graphics drivers. Update your GPU drivers to the latest version from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Method 3. Adjust INI files. Open your Oblivion.ini and OblivionPrefs.ini files and documents. My Games, Oblivion. Set BU's threaded AI equals 0 and I preload size limit equals XXXXXX. Try lowering preload size. Method 4. Disable problematic mods. Temporarily disable recently added mods, especially those affecting graphics or AI, then test if the error persists. Method 5. Run as administrator in compatibility mode. Right-click the game executable, select Properties, Compatibility tab, then enable Run this program as an administrator and try compatibility modes if needed. Important notes. Sometimes, a clean reinstall helps if errors continue. Back up your saves and mod lists before making changes. Check forums for specific mod conflicts related to the low-level fatal error. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Oblivion and gaming fixes.